Are your funds safe from this bridge hack? And is Bitcoin about to break out from this small range? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We have a new exclusive campaign with Bybit with up to $81,000 in prizes. You can now earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and trade. We're also launching our brand new trading competition with up to $51,000 in the prize pool. The idea is super simple. The more you deposit and trade it, the more you can earn. To find out more, just click the link in the description below. Bitcoin bulls had hope that new yearly highs the day prior would allow Bitcoin to exit its month-long trading range for good, but ended up in disappointment. Bitcoin saw rejection at 31,500, falling below the $30,000 mark just hours later to challenge the lower part of the range. Looking ahead, traders thus reverted to risk-off mode for the short term. Trader Gel noted the relative strength index values had come full circle on the 4-hour timeframes, effectively canceling out the previous hype. Bitcoin 4-hour RSI almost fully reset as price made its way towards the local range lows. I'm not expecting much volatility over the weekend, likely just more range-bound price action. ARK Invest reported that institutional investors and long-term Bitcoin holders are showing signs of improved bullishness. According to a new issue of the Bitcoin Monthly, an earnings report that details on-chain activity, the balance of Bitcoin held on OTC desks has hit an all-time high. Nearly 8,000 Bitcoin are sitting on these desks, notching an impressive 60% increase this quarter. Kathy Wood's ARK Invest uses over-the-counter desks as a proxy for institutional activity, suggesting that the numbers reported show institutions and other large capital allocators are focused increasingly on Bitcoin as a bullish sign. The report also touches upon Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, or GBTC, one of the new firms that caters to large or accredited investors. It has been on quite the run this year, doubling in value with its GBT shares starting the year at $8.65, now trading at $20. The so-called GBTC discount, which refers to the difference between the price for the shares and the net asset value of GBTC's holdings, has narrowed to negative 30%, which ARK suggests could be the market's optimistic sign to the recent ETF filings. Blockchain analytics platform Santiment revealed in a tweet earlier today that the network growth for Ethereum has been on the rise in the past few weeks. According to the post, new addresses are being created on the blockchain at an increased pace, which may be a signal of eventual market cap growth. The firm also noted that Ethereum's network growth is at its highest level in 4 months. Santiment referred to this increase in new addresses as bullish divergence, given that ETH's price has struggled to overcome the 2K resistance level during the same time period. This negative daily performance succeeded in pushing ETH's weekly performance into the red as well. As a result, the crypto was down 1.36% over the past 7 days. Looking at ETH's daily chart, the altcoin's price dropped below the crucial 50-day EMA line over the past 24 hours to reach a low of 1826. Bulls did, however, give ETH a much-needed boost for it to trade back over the 50-day EMA. Nevertheless, ETH's price remained at risk of dropping to the next major support level at 1777 in the coming 24 to 48 hours. A confirmation of this bearishness will be if the altcoin's price drops below the 50-day EMA line again. DEXs like Uniswap have revolutionized the way cryptocurrency is traded in recent years, giving traders control over their own funds. The automated market maker model, popularized by such DEXs, however, has been plagued by crazy high network fees, price slippage, front-running, low interoperability, and limited functionality. Because of this, many traders have opted to continue using the advanced trading features and high interoperability offered by centralized exchanges. However, while the trading experience may be better on centralized exchanges, it also may be riskier due to the possibility of hacks and data breaches. Our partners at Polkadex's order book is built to eliminate these trade-offs. It combines the advantages of centralized and decentralized exchanges while tackling the issues of both. In short, it brings together the speed, functionality, interoperability, and overall look and feel of a centralized exchange with the security and individual custody of assets pioneered by existing DEXs. Trading crypto on Polkadex order book is as fast, if not faster, than trading on centralized ones, and Polkadex's order book is non-custodial, high-frequency crypto trading in real time with sub-millisecond latency. Polkadex has had great success with the Moonbeam testnet, and they're already in talks with other .sama assets. Once this works, they can list all these tokens on the mainnet, including DOT, so they can become the go-to DEX for Polkadot's assets. Polkadex secured a parachain slot in 2022 after winning a parachain auction number 16 with nearly $1 million loaned to the Polkadex crowdloan by more than 2,300 contributors. As a thank you to all the contributors, Polkadex pledged 2 million PDEX in rewards, which translates to a little over 2 PDEX per DOT contributed. If you contributed to the Polkadex crowdloan and helped Polkadex secure a parachain slot, it's time for you to claim your PDEX rewards. You can also stake your PDEX and earn 24.5% APY. So try out Polkadex's non-custodial order book exchange today and stake your PDEX, all linked down below. On Thursday, July 6th, the Multichain Bridge witnessed abnormally large outflows in what seems to be a multi-million-dollar exploit of the platform. A few hours later, Multichain Protocol announced that they have suspended the operations. As per reports, multi-chain assets are worth a staggering $125 million residing on the cross-chain protocol. The Phantom Bridge seems to face the biggest exploit of 122 million, with nearly its entire holdings in wrapped Bitcoin, USDC, and USDT, and other altcoins moving out. Soon after the Multichain protocol announced that they were investigating the matter, the lockup assets on the Multichain MPC address have been moved to an unknown address abnormally. The team is not sure what happened and is currently investigating. It is recommended that all users suspend the use of Multichain services and revoke all contract approvals related to Multichain. Multichain has been facing difficulties for more than a month due to technical issues and the absence of its CEO. Concerns arose on crypto Twitter when 3 unexplained outflows occurred from Multichain's Phantom, Moonriver, and Dogecoin bridge contracts, leading to fears of a possible hack. A day before, crypto exchange Binance also suspended deposits and withdrawals for 8 altcoins linked to the Multichain protocol. Multichain's multi-token has slipped 13% in the past 24 hours. According to the Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, the advent of Bitcoin Ordinals signals the organic return of Bitcoin culture to the network. Buterin made the comments in a July 7th Twitter Spaces, where he spoke at length with Bitcoin proponents Eric Wall and Udi Wertheimer about what Bitcoin developers could learn from Ethereum devs. Buterin praised Ordinals and the BRC20 token standard, which he sees as a rejection of stagnant politics in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Ordinals are starting to bring back a culture of actually doing things. Buterin said it feels like there's a real pushback to the laser eye movement, which is good. The nearly 2-hour-long conversation centered around the issue of scalability. Wall claimed that Bitcoin's Lightning Network can't scale for future users and fails frequently when processing even medium-sized payments. In response, Buterin suggested the best approach would be to focus on implementing different types of Layer 2 solutions and look for ways to make the Bitcoin base layer more efficient. The total number of transactions on Uniswap, one of the leading automated market makers, surpassed the 200 million milestone, according to data from Dune Analytics. This landmark, also shared by the Uniswap official Twitter page, means the project has been able to attract a plethora of unique users who contributed to the cumulative trades. However, this significant achievement comes amid a backdrop of a declining holder count, raising questions about the factors driving transaction volume on the network. According to Santiment, Uni's total number of holders fell from 370,000 on May 28th to around 354,000 at the time of writing. The decrease in the holder count suggests that faith in the long-term value of Uni could be waning, hence some holders deemed it fit to let go of the tokens. However, at the same time, the decrease in number of active holders could be linked to the token's 30-day price performance, which yielded a 17% hike. So dropping some Uni tokens could mean that holders made gains amid increasing trading activity. Santiment has recently reported a 35% increase in Sol's price over the last 3 weeks. In a tweet, Santiment observed that while Sol may not have enjoyed the kind of rally it achieved in 2021, it has made a decent return recently. Santiment's recent report describes Sol's current price surge as a development that the crypto industry cannot ignore. Sol bounced off of a local low at $14 3 weeks ago to initiate the current price rally. Since then, the price overcame significant resistance at the 1730 and 1890 price levels to continue on an upward trend. Santiment identified the increase in Solana's social volume as one factor behind Sol's current price rally. According to the market intelligence platform, a recent increase in Solana's social volume on Reddit coincided with the surge in Sol's price. Apart from the social volume, most other metrics did not support the price rally. For example, Santiment reported that Solana's NFT trades are insufficient to support a price increase. We have a new exclusive campaign with Bybit with up to $81,000 in prizes. You can now earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and trade. We're also launching our brand new trading competition with up to $51,000 in the prize pool. The idea is super simple. The more you deposit and trade it, the more you can earn. To find out more, just click the link in the description below. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.